Does anyone else dislike the sound of their own voice? You're not alone. Most of us cringe when we hear ourselves on a recording. But have you ever thought about why that happens? Here's the reason: the way you sound to yourself isn't the same as how you sound to others. Let me explain. When you speak, your voice creates vibrations. Those vibrations move through the air and reach other people's ears. But when you hear yourself, you're also hearing those vibrations travel through your bones. That denser material makes your voice sound deeper and fuller to you. Now, when you listen to a recording, you're hearing your voice only through the air. Just like everyone else does, it's a completely different sound, and your brain reacts with, "Wait, who is that?" It's similar to seeing a photo of yourself. The version you're used to, the one in the mirror, is flipped, but photos show how the world sees you. That's why they can feel unfamiliar or even uncomfortable at first. But here's the good news: the more you listen to recordings of your voice, the more your brain starts to adjust. Over time, that voice on the recording begins to feel like you. So stop avoiding it and start accepting it. Whether it's a podcast, a voice note, or TikTok, it's still you. Your voice is an instrument, a tool, a unique reflection of your experiences and stories. So the next time you hear yourself, remember that's how the world hears you, and honestly, that's pretty amazing.